Please recognize for 5 minutes.
Mr. Chairman, I'd just like to briefly add my voice to those in support of this important bill. When we talk about tailoring regulation to fit the size and the nature of the financial institution, what we're ultimately doing is improving customer choice. When we impose too much of a regulatory burden on small banks, the cause of the closure of those banks happens in many of these small communities. The consumers there lose their choice where to deposit their savings and where to turn for loans. It's about families sitting around the kitchen table, imagining the possibility of maybe renovating their home, or the entrepreneur dreaming of starting their own business so that she can become her own boss. In fact, the Federal Reserve Small Business Credit Survey in 2015 showed that credit applicants reported higher levels of satisfaction with community banks, which tend to approve more credit applications from small businesses than other types of institutions. 76% of survey respondents reported that they received some form of financing through community banks, while 58% reported receiving credit through larger banks. It's about the new jobs that will be created in those communities, in smaller communities as a result. It's that simple, and I'd like to thank you, Mr. Chairman, for including the Tailor Act in today's markup, and I yield the remainder of my time to the chair.